Yeah.
TSL.
Yo, listen.
Yeah.
We bring some attention to the stock market.
Gotta get your bread up.
You feel me? That's right. Norway, the stock is flooring from Florida.
Let's go.
Stop.
Hey guys, how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing out there? Guys, I wanted to come on. I didn't plan to come on, but I want to come on and talk about Tesla, guys. Holy smoke, guys. Tesla's down 9%. It's down 9%, guys. This is a fantastic time. Guys, this is the easiest trade that you're going to get probably this week, guys. Honestly, down 9%. It looks like it is trying to even break the $800 mark and go into the 700, guys. If this thing goes into the 700s, buy it. Guys, it's probably one of the last times you're ever going to see it at this price. I'm excited. I want to show you the chart, guys. Welcome in, everybody. Let's see who we have. Guys, welcome in. We got Desiree Wealth. Good afternoon, guys. How's everybody doing? You're here working. Hey, Stacy May. What's going on, Stacy May? Thank you for coming in, guys. Hope everybody's doing great, guys. Big shout out to all my supporters out there, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button and share it out if you can. Guys, if you have money sitting in a bank, in a savings account, and if you have a significant amount, like several thousand, guys, this is the easiest way to put your money to work, guys. If your money is sleeping in that sleepy savings account, making not even 1%, sometimes not even a 0.5%, guys, you know Tesla's going to go over $1,000. The reason I say this is because Tesla says that they will have a working prototype of the Tesla bot coming very, very soon. It's hard to wrap your mind around it because we don't see them out and about. We don't see them at different businesses. But what he's going to do, he's going to sell it to businesses. For example, he'll sell it to a business like McDonald's, and he will have the robots making the hamburgers. He will have the robots cleaning the building. Anything you could think of, these robots are going to be able to do. They are all under the ticker symbol TSLA, which is Tesla. And this will be bigger than the revenue he's getting at the moment from the electric vehicles. Now, just take a moment to think about that, guys. As huge as Tesla is, the Tesla bot will be even bigger than what they are doing with the electric cars. And they are coming out with self-driving electric cars, guys. Now, before I get too much off topic, I want to share the chart because I want to show you on the chart what I'm looking at and why this is a fantastic time to jump on in. Hey, my Granny's Garden, welcome in, my Granny's Garden. Thank you so much. So I want to show you this on TradingView, guys, so give me one moment to share the screen. I'm going to share my screen. Let's see. Share. Okay, now we're going to go over to TradingView. This is TradingView. There are a lot of free tools in TradingView. You can join TradingView for even more access to charts and things like that, right, guys? But this is the free version. I drew this trend line, guys. This is every time Tesla gets near this trend line, it bounces off this trend line. Now, this is not perfectly drawn. I am not an expert at technical analysis, guys. This is a general drawing, so you could sort of visualize what I'm looking at. You could see now this is the chart over the past year. Every single candlestick represents, I believe it's a day, right? So red is bad days, green and good days. But every time it comes down to near this trend line right here, it bounces off. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Goes up pretty high, guys. comes back down, it's going to hit a bounce. Now, this is not a perfect science and exact science, but it is a good visual tool to see what we're talking about. And what Tesla has done today, you see this big red line, of course, it faded 9%. It's going to most likely hit this trend line and going to bounce. So if you see Tesla down near 800, I'm sorry, near this $900 mark, guys. Always a great time, guys, to grab it when it bounces off that trend line. And if it breaks that support and it goes down, it could even go down into the 700s. If that happens, guys, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Go ahead and get yourself some Tesla Myasla, guys. Fantastic time to get in it. Okay. Stock market was rough last week, guys, and it's doing pretty rough this week. Now there are some great trades to be had, but you have to have the faith and the conviction to get in on these trades. Tesla at 900, guys, is still, in my personal opinion, I believe it's going to bounce off this trend line and start heading back up over 1,000. It is bounced and headed over 1,000 many times. This is where the $1,000 price point is right here, this dotted line, and you can see when it hits that 1,000, it's bounced many times, gone over it and exceeded it. Is it going to do it again? Absolutely. Why? Because we have the Tesla bot coming, guys. We have the Tesla bot coming. So down here in TradingView, it's sitting at $905 at the moment. Every time they have earnings, which is on the bottom right hand side of your screen, you see they exceed it. This is the expectation in the gray dot, and the green dot is what they actually did. Always far exceed expectations. Guys, this is just one of those stocks that is just it's an unstoppable beast, guys. So I'm going to stop sharing the screen and take that down so I can see the chat. Stop sharing the screen and get back on here. If anybody would like to come up with me and talk about this, come on up. I will put the link in the chat in a moment. Welcome in, Gianna. Fantastic to have you. Another stock that's crazy cheap right now is Nvidia. Guys, we know these are future super successful companies. We know that they're going to be crushing it in the future. And to get them at these prices is just unbelievable, guys. So yeah, Nvidia, that ticker is NBDA. Gianna has some. I have some. Fantastic stock to have a piece of. And you can buy pieces of stock. You don't have to buy the entire stock. You can buy a piece of it just by using the dollar amount in like Robinhood or Webull, just buying that slice of it. Also in Charles Schwab, they actually call it stock slices. You don't have to have a fortune to collect these stocks, guys, right? Welcome in, Miss Canadian Scrapper. Great to see you. Hope you're having a great day out with the family. Gianna says, Nora, my prediction was pretty spot on. Yes, absolutely. Gianna told me that Tesla was going to have another fade. What does that mean? Well, fade down below $1,000 is what I think I asked her, was $1,000 a good price point, and she said no, I think it's gonna drop, and I agreed with her just because the way the market is and everything going on right now. And so, of course, it did. But, if you don't pounce on these opportunities when they happen, that's why I'm pointing it out to anybody that's a trader, investor, or was considering buying stocks. Now is a great time. You want to buy on a red day, guys. Hey, Dimitri, what's going on, Dimitri? Dimitri, if you want to come on, or if anybody wants to come on, please use the link to come on, and you can come up and chat with me. And you don't have to be an expert. You don't even have to talk about stocks, guys. Just come on, say hello, introduce your channel, and tell us what your channel is about. I'm always here to help my fellow YouTubers out, guys. You don't have to even talk about stocks, guys. Believe me. A matter of fact, most of the times I try to start talking about stocks, and I end up talking about everything else under the sun, guys. So It's just what it is. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Thank you for hanging out. Mountain of Inspiration, fantastic channel. I was catching up on some of your videos. Great stuff, guys. Over there for a lot of inspiration. Over there, we got Hilda D Sizzle in the house. Hilda DC. Yeah, I got to take some risk, or else you will kick yourself for not buying, guys. Just the thoughts of what's going to happen with the Tesla bot. Now, he gets interviewed quite frequently, and Elon Musk. I said I meant Elon Musk, because we're talking about Tesla. He says that the the robots will be bigger than the EVs, and is massively popular. And I mean, it's sensational, the fan base he has behind the EVs. We still are waiting for the Cybertrucks to be out there on the road. So much hype, so much excitement. If you saw the grand opening of the Giga Texas factory and what he did with the drones, guys, that was cool, guys. That was really cool. And you could see it was invite only, and even people with thousands of Tesla shares did not all get a ticket. Everybody couldn't get a ticket that wanted a ticket. Believe me, guys, believe me. So when he starts um, getting these robots out here in the community, and you can start to actually see what they're capable of, you're going to be like, wow. And yeah, you are in the next 10 years going to be able to buy one for your home. They're going to do everything that you don't want to do, guys. Clean the house, go take a cup of tea to grandma, everything like that. The Tesla bot will be able to do it, and it is under the ticker TSLA. It's not a separate ticker. Guys, this is so much value in one stock. So yeah, I do want to come on and share the excitement about it and share it with you, because if you have money just sitting there sleeping in the bank, guys, put it to work. This is one stock I can pretty much guarantee you will not lose money on it. And Kathy Wood has it in 2026. She has it valued at $4,600 a share. Look at it right now, guys. Look at the price. Look at all the growth potential. But that decision is up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, and I do not give it financial advice. But what I can share is my knowledge and what I'm doing and what I know about it. And if I had a bunch of money just sitting in a bank collecting 0.5%, I would be buying a bunch of Tesla right now, guys. I tell you that much. Hi, Barbary. Welcome in, everybody. I hope I did not miss anybody in the chat. Gianna says, nor did you hear about Elon Musk was pissed at Bill Gates for shorting Tesla. Maybe that is what is going on today. Yeah, who knows? You know what I mean? Big money does whatever they're going to do, but it's inevitable. It's going to go over 1,000 again. I saw some stuff going on Twitter with Bill Gates, but honestly, Bill Gates, you had a chance. You were in this before Elon Musk was even born, and you didn't move forward. You didn't build a robot. You didn't really. I mean, he's done a lot of amazing things, but I'm sorry, you're not sending rockets to Mars. Sorry, Bill Gates. It is what it is. Elon Musk is leaving you in the dust, and you had all the chance in the world, all the money in the world to do these sort of things, but you didn't do it. So don't be a hater. It is what it is. Elon Musk left you in the dust, okay? I don't know what Microsoft's going to do. Probably just keep doing what Microsoft does, but they're probably salty. I mean, he's making you guys look bad. You guys had a huge head start working with computers and computer chips and AI and everything. And what are they doing with it? I mean, Tesla's blowing you guys away. It is what it is. Hey, Angie, what's going on, Angie? Hey, CDC Vintage and Mechanical. Do you think Amazon will recover? Yeah, guys, they all will recover. We're just in a season now where the big dog stocks are just taking a hit, guys, and they got to move the market in both ways. The market can't just go up, 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 up. because then there's no way for them to make money. So they manipulate it on purpose, guys. So don't be afraid. If you have a few dollars, I'm showing you some good stocks. Nvidia, Tesla, guys, Apple. Apple right now today is cheap. Any of those guys, you grab them and just hang on to it. Now, yeah, I was talking to Evie about coin collecting and why she does coin collecting. It's because when you get capital gains on your stocks, when you buy them and sell them, you're adding up all those capital gains that they know exactly how much money you have because it's all documented, guys. It's all digitally recorded when you use a broker. When you buy coins, it's not. They're not they're not really keeping track of it like that. And they're not going to hit you with a tax again as you hold it in your safe in your home, guys. So it's real interesting. I'm looking more into the coin collecting thing because of people like Gianna. Check out her channel, Collecting Coins with Gianna, and because of Evie. Evie has a channel called Miss Canadian Stacker where she does coin collecting. So that is her second channel. Go over to that one and give her some love. You can do it in Robinhood, Gianna, and I believe you can do it in Webull as well. Just reach out to your broker. All of them have tech support. Send them a little question. Hey, I would like to buy, say, a fractional share of Tesla, and they will get back to you and explain exactly how to do that. What goes up must come down, and what goes down must go up. There you go, Angie. Keep it simple, right? So yeah, check out Miss Canadian Stacker. She has a channel. If she wants to come in the chat with that channel, it'd be easier maybe for you guys to find, but check her out. Mega love shout out. Hey, E-Waste Mike, what's going on? Another awesome channel, E-Waste Mike, guys. If you have computer parts or old computers, or you see them in the trash, or you have a friend or family member that has a bunch of these old computers just sitting in their garage, there's ways you can take them apart and scrap them and make money with them. Not only that, but a lot of them have actual gold inside the computer, and E-Waste Mike will show you actually how to take those components out of the computer and you put them in like an acid solution. You can actually extract the gold out of it. Well, not everybody wants to get involved with that, right, guys? Because it's tedious. Some people don't want to work with chemicals and things like that. But it is possible. Don't leave them in the trash. Collect them. You can break them apart. Take the computer boards out. If you watch his channel, he actually does it live and shows you exactly how to do it, guys. So if you see these sort of things in the trash or at yard sales, garage sales, whatever, somebody's giving away for $1, well, grab it because you may be able to make it, 3x, 5x your money by taking it apart and getting all those parts out of it, which is awesome, guys, right? Gianna says, Miss Canadian Scrapper, are you a stacker? Nice, me too. Yes, she is. So hopefully you guys can check out each other's channel. Thank you for hanging out, E-Waste Mike. I appreciate it. Yeah, I wanted to come on and share that with Tesla. Why is it down 9% today? I have no idea. Not because it's changed in any way fundamentally. You have to realize that in the stock market, stocks go up and down, but the actual company and what they're doing and fundamentally, they don't change. This is just big money buying and selling the stocks. And they move the market. We don't. We just go with the flow, guys, right? And we wait for these great opportunities like today on Tesla. My mentor, Peter DiCarlo, he's buying more Tesla right as we speak, guys. And I can't share the trades from the Capitalist Academy, but I am in the Capitalist Academy. And if you'd like to check that out, it's a money back guarantee. You can always check my banner for the link for that. And you get access to a private Discord where they document their buys and sells, and you can trade with the crew over there in real time. So that's always great. it's done me solid. Last year I made some good money with working alongside with those guys. So following some of their trades to a T. They put them right on there for you to look at, and then you take the same trades they do. You can copy trade with the Capitalist Academy. It also has a free Discord. Check out Traders Helping Traders channel if you'd like to learn how to be a trader. A lot of great daily videos on that channel, and there's a link to the free Discord. But the one that I promote up in my banner, you would get private live streams and an actual private mentorship, and I believe it's 60 hours of courses and lectures you will get instant access to on your computer, so you can learn how to trade and invest along with everybody else out here, guys. I know it's really mystical, and a lot of people tell me that they don't understand a lot of the things that I'm talking about, and I try to remember that, and I try to reel it in and keep it beginner friendly. So if you ever don't understand anything I'm talking about, just say, Nora, please explain. Like Gianna asked, can you buy a slice of a stock? Well, yeah, Tesla's like $900 a share right now. If you don't have $900, you only have $100. You can go in Robinhood and you can buy $100 worth of Tesla, and it will give you the little fractional amount. You will have I don't know, 0.05 shares of Tesla or whatever, however much money you put in it. You can do it that way, guys. And you can even do recurring investments where they will buy the same amount each month for you. But I don't like to do that. I like to pick and choose. I'm a price shopper by the dip. So when it's dipping, that's when I like to buy it. I don't want to do a recurring investment, but you can do that too if you're busy and you don't want to micromanage or personally manage the account. You can do it like that. E-Waste Mike saying hello to everybody. My Granny's Garden saying hi to Gianna. Gianna's awesome, guys. Gianna even does crypto mining, guys. She's been doing that for years, making money. She's got these computer rigs set up to mine crypto. If you're ever interested in that, check out her channel. She has a video where she shows exactly how she built those mining rigs. You have to keep them very cool. That is the struggle. You have to keep them really cool. And the cards are very, very expensive. A lot of people use the Nvidia cards on there. My husband and I buy and sell stock often, but my husband knows more about. Oh, awesome, Angie, that's awesome. Good, that's good stuff. Yeah, I mean, even after they hit you with taxes, you still make good money if you. But the key is you have to keep learning about it, guys. You can't just get out there and randomly pick stuff. You have to sort of methodically do things, or else you can lose a lot of money. But if you lose money with the stocks, you can write that off on your taxes. So, everything has its pros and cons, but some people don't want the government involved in their finances. I'm too much into it to give it up right now, guys. But I would like to learn more about the collecting of the coins and things like that. Silver seems to be at a good price right now. So I may look into that as sort of a hedge for hyperinflation. I may look into getting myself uh, some, little 1 ounce coins or bars of silver or gold or something like that. But then in that case, you have to have a safe to keep them in, and you have to have a way to keep that secure, guys. So, everything has pros and cons, right? And yeah, like CDC Vintage and Mechanical says, you don't lose money until you sell. Now, if you hold it more than 1 year, and when you buy it in the broker, you can see a list under the stock. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, this is how they do it on Robinhood. You can see the exact date that you bought it. If you hold it more than a year, what you'll pay on it is long-term capital gains, which is a smaller percentage of the tax. So it's better to hold something over a year. So but everybody has their different style. You can't be a trader or a day trader and also hold it more than a year. It doesn't work that way. But you can do both. You can have stocks that you intend to hold long term. Tesla would be a fantastic one. Um, or, and of course you can day trade or swing trade, which is my favorite. I like swing trading where you hold it more than that. You don't make the transaction all in one day because, as you know, as a beginner, you only get 3 day trades and then you get flagged as a day trader unless you have more than $25,000 in your account. Then you can day trade unlimited. So a lot of people's goals is to get to that $25,000 point in one of their brokers, and then you can day trade unlimited. They don't flag you as a day trader. So yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah, guys, if you want to connect to Gianna, get show her some support. Head over there and subscribe, guys. Fantastic channel, and she's a big supporter of my channel, guys. So I appreciate it. Buy some I bonds from the government, nor they're guaranteed to stay with inflation. I tell you what, I'm looking into some different ideas. I don't like the thought of having all my eggs in one basket. So how do you feel about Shiba Inu? I like it okay. I've traded Shiba Inu. Shiba is a cryptocurrency. Shiba is spelled SHIBA, but I know exactly what you mean. It was sort of like it was sort of a knockoff of Dogecoin. They came out with Shiba, of course. Dogecoin. The icon for that is the Shiba Inu dog, so they came up with Shiba. And a lot of people said it would kill Dogecoin. Do I think it'll kill Dogecoin? No, I think it'll have its own use right alongside. I don't think Shiba's going anywhere, and I definitely don't think Dogecoin is going anywhere. Dogecoin is one of my favorites. Uh, I have a whole bunch of it. I think Elon's going to, of course, integrate it into Twitter, where you can probably use, hi, Arsh Kamboj, welcome in, where you can use Dogecoin as like a currency on Twitter, either for advertising or to use it as a tip jar. If you like a certain Twitterer, you can tip them in Doge. I think they're going to integrate Doge into that and many, many more things. I'm a big fan of Dogecoin. But again, not a financial advisor. That's just something that I like. Anytime Dogecoin is in the 13-cent range, my opinion is scoop it up because it always goes over 15. It even went to 16, I think it was yesterday. So if you grab it at 13 and sell it at 16, or grab it at 14 and sell it at 15, whatever, within that bracket, you can keep doing that over and over and over again. The reason you can do that is because Dogecoin and a lot of cryptocurrencies, not just Dogecoin, are volatile. That means they go up and down, large swings. So what you do, you buy the dip, you sell the rip. Rinse and repeat. They call it rinse and repeat. Do it again. Wait another day or two. Wait till it dips back down. Buy it, sell it when it rips. But you are going to rack up those short-term capital gains with crypto just like you do with stocks. So you kind of want to keep a spreadsheet or at least some sort of idea on how much money you're making a month trading crypto and your stocks, because it can really add up. All those small little trade where you made $5, $10, 15, 20, they add up. And if you don't realize it at the end of the year, guess what? The tax man cometh, guys. The tax man will want his money. So you want to kind of have a good general idea of what you have or how much you made, not only with the stocks but with the crypto, because they tax them both. And of course every country is different. So you want to start to become familiar with the rate in which these things are taxed. It's me, Angie. I've been mining Ethereum since 2016. Ethereum is probably my favorite crypto coin since it has the largest crypto ecosystem. And I like Ethereum very much as well. I have some Ethereum, so I like that one. I like that one very much. Hi, Willie Rosado. Welcome in, Willie. Hey, what's going on, Positive Pikachu? Thank you for joining me, guys. Make sure everybody's connecting with each other. Also, check out my Twitter, Philly_Orlando. I share other people's live streams out. If you have a live stream, let me know. You have one coming up. I'll share it out on Twitter. If you check out my Twitter, you will see I'm very active sharing out other creators' live streams. So make sure you connect with me. You'll see my Twitter is down in the ticker at the bottom. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I'm Philly Orlando, all one word, on Instagram. Thank you, Gianna. I will look at that and tell my husband about it too. Thanks for the tip. Awesome. Yeah, guys. Gianna is a great wealth of information. Some of the guests I have up on my channel are also a great wealth of information, and ones that I plan to have on the channel in the future. Looking forward to interviewing some of you guys and having you up on the channel to highlight your channel and even better, teach somebody something. We're all here. We could all learn something brand new. Every channel has something to teach, guys. So it's good stuff. Hey, Jessica. What's going on, everybody? So thank you for joining me, guys. I wanted to highlight Tesla my Tesla. I'm not excited to see that it lost 9%, but will it stay there for long? No, I don't think it'll stay there for very long at all. The reason, he's working on this Tesla bot every single day. They're getting better and better. They're going to be out here walking alongside you. I'm sure he will have them out at the gigafactories, and he can feature all the things that they are able to do out at the gigafactories. And I'm sure he'll have them out there working at the gigafactories doing things they might, I just can't even imagine. And of course, he's going to send the robots up into space, and he's going to send them to Mars. So how cool is that? Uh, of course, I'm not sponsored by Tesla, but if you talk about the stock market, it's hard not to kind of find a few stocks that are your favorites. And Tesla is just one I think is just exciting to follow because of all the things that they're coming up with, and because of there's people that have just made so much money on that stock in the last 5 years. It's crazy. And they just continue to make money. And also what I know is coming up soon, a big catalyst, a huge catalyst is going to be this stock split that they're talking about. They may do a 10-to-1 stock split in which you will see Tesla stock rocket up when they're getting ready to do that stock split, because historically, stocks that split in the next year following the stock split, they all do very, very well post split, after the split. And you can research that and look at stocks that have split and how they have performed after the split. And I'm sure Tesla will be no different. So keep an ear out. They will be announcing that stock split, and I know it will be heading over 1,000 again, because it's done it so many times over and over and over again. Guys, if I have a chance to get a Tesla, I will. But even sooner, I'd like to rent one, or when he gets the robo taxi, I would love to be in one and do a live stream right from the robo taxi. Wouldn't that be cool, guys? And I follow someone called Warren Redlick. He is a huge, you think I'm excited. I don't even have a Tesla. Warren he has a Tesla Plaid, and he's actually down here in Florida. I'm a big fan, guys. He even met my friend that does the drones, Brian Roshetsky. He met Brian and hung out with him for a day out in Austin, Texas. And if you want to follow somebody that really covers Tesla and shows a lot of excitement and enthusiasm, check out Warren Redlick. He has a YouTube channel, everything about Tesla. There's just not enough time in the day to cover everything that Tesla does, but Warren does a great job and he sure does try. So, big shout out to Warren. I agree with a lot of things he says and how Lucid is trying to, be Tesla or be a competitor. There's no chance in the world that Lucid every other EV will have its niche and it will have its fans and it may do well, but it won't be a Tesla, guys. It just won't be a Tesla. But again, my personal opinion, guys. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Keep an eye on Tesla. My Tesla guys wanted to do a quick live stream so you guys could put it on your watch list and check it out. You can always watch my older videos, guys, for some beginner tips and things like that. And let's all stay out here and support each other, guys. I'm going to hop off. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a great live stream. Nice to see everybody in the chat, guys. I will check you guys out very, very soon. Let's go make some money. See you guys.